In this video, I'm going to show you a handful of ways that you can make Google Sheets work better for you. The first thing I'm going to show you how to do is to take your data and sort it. So here is the spreadsheet where I just have the data for the level 2 tutorials that I will be making throughout the semester. And it's not ordered very well. It's sorted by the app instead of the unit or the upload or due date. So let's look at how we can take this data and sort it to make it easier to look at and analyze. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is to use the Control-A keyboard shortcut, which is for select all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click up in this first cell in row 1, column F, and then I'm going to hit Control-A. And that will select only the cells that have data in it. I don't need to sort the whole spreadsheet. Most of the cells don't have anything in it, so that would be kind of silly. But now I've selected the data that I do want to sort. And once it's highlighted, I can go to Data. You can sort the whole sheet if you want to. I go to Sort Range because I've selected an entire range, and then I go to Advanced Range Sorting Options. Right, when I select that, the first thing in the little pop-up is Data has header row. Most of the spreadsheets I use, I do have a header row, so I'm typically selecting this. And then once I select it, it gives me the values from that header row: unit, app, skill, upload date, status, due date. So this gives me some options for how I want to sort this data. Well, it would make more sense to me if it was sorted by unit. So I'm going to click on unit, and then A to Z just means increasing order. If it's alphabetical, it will literally go from A to Z. If it's numerical, it will go from smallest to largest, whichever the data that you're trying to sort by is, if it's text or data or a number or a calendar date or whatever. And then you can also add additional sorts after that. So if there's some repeated data, even after you sort by unit, you can then sort by that next range of data and so on. So once I'm ready to sort, I'm just going to click on Sort. And all of my data is now sorted by unit, so all the tutorials for Unit 1 are first, 2, and then 3, and so on, and so forth. And that is how you can use the sort feature to sort data in a spreadsheet.